Sorry, wait. Should I look at you when I'm?
Oh, yeah,
See all my hard
Look into
work
the camera.
pay off.
Okay.
Yes.
Didn't?
Oh boy.
No, Mr. Abraham was like, you're putting this in. And I was like, okay. The submission process for Scholastic was fairly easy. I had Miss J and Mandy help me pick my pieces and help me like submit them to the website. Like, since they helped me, it was just so much easier than doing it by myself, since this is my first time in.
So the submission process for Scholastic was fine. I mean, it wasn't anything particularly interesting or hard. It was just easy, I suppose. It was, well structured.
I didn't really think about it too much. Like, I submitted it and I was like, okay, that's another thing I don't have to like stress about. And I just kind of like forgot about it. And then I was like, oh, I submitted stuff and I'm getting answers in like a few weeks.
After I submitted, again, the waiting process was fine. It wasn't like on my mind all the time. It was one of those things that it was like, okay, I did it and now it's gone. And then a couple months later, it's like, oh, right, that's coming out. So then, like, for the last week or couple of days, it's exciting.
When I was waiting for the results, which took a little bit, at first I wasn't really into it because I didn't really care. I probably should care more because it matters a lot. But I was really excited about one of my pieces, Bog. He was in the gallery at our school, and he broke.
Oh, I have to talk about Bog.
Oh, yeah.
Because Bog broke.
Yeah.
Again, Mandy, like the teachers helped me, like fix him and put him back together and get him ready. Even if he didn't do well, but he did do well. Yeah.
Another piece that I liked that I submitted a lot was my self-portrait piece. And in that piece, I think what I was trying to do, well, it's based on a picture of me when I was in New York, which is one of my favorite places to be. And what I was trying to show in that piece was, it shows the personality of the person, and it shows, you can tell what kind of a person. It doesn't even necessarily need to be me in the context. You can look at that person and you can, recognize aspects of their character that I think are interesting.
It's called Disconnection, and it's something I did for my independent study class. And it's like a bunch of these like tiles, and they're like, it's really hard to explain. If there's a picture, you will see. But for that, I just had like a bunch of these tiles laying around, and I wanted to use them, and I thought it would be cool to have like a separated painting type thing. I don't know, I was just like, wow, something I created got like an award. Like, over the summer, I was like working really hard to like improve my skills on different things. And like one of the pieces that like got an award was something I worked on for like months. So it's like nice. What's the word? Thank you. Like, oh, see all my hard work pay off. Yes.
The awards and the acknowledgements are pretty cool. It's certainly nice to have someone say, hey, look, you did this thing and it's really good and we appreciate what you did. So in that aspect, it's really nice to be recognized for your hard work. But regardless of whether or not I got an award, I still would have been proud of the work that I created. And I think, like I said, it's great to be recognized for your hard work, but it's not like, it's nice, but it's not the be-all, end-all.
The awards to me mean that I'm putting my all into my pieces and other people are appreciating that, and that my work is just quality enough to do well in these competitions.
Bye.